Welcome to MIT ADT podcast. Today we have with us Dr. Shraddha Phansalkar, Professor and Head of Department of Computer Science Engineering, School of Computing. What is so special about the School of Computing at MIT ADT University?
School of Computing caters to two important programs. That's BTech in Computer Science Engineering, MTech in Computer Science Engineering, and a PhD program. As a specific part of Computer Science Engineering, we cater to multi-specialized programs here in most of the cutting-edge areas of Computer Science Engineering. To name a few, AI and machine learning, cybersecurity forensics, big data, cloud engineering, blockchain technology are few of our very eminent and highly specialized programs in computer science engineering. Most of these programs are industry collaborated, so we do have an industry participation in terms of curriculum design, in terms of collaborations, in terms of center of excellence, and in terms of project opportunities. So they give a very upper edge to our students passing with the BTech degree program.
Could you explain about the course in detail?
All of these programs are specifically designed to fuse the ideas of practicing most of the recent areas in computer science engineering. We promote project-based learning and the importance of projects in our students, so the students learn what they actually need to apply. We run highly application-oriented curriculums. Most of the electives that come are from industry domain, so they are very recent in nature and they keep our programs abreast with the industry needs.
What is the learning environment at MIT ADT University?
At MIT ADT University, we foster a holistic development of an individual. So apart from making engineers who are sensitized to the technical issues, we believe in making them holistic as personalities. So many important aspects of life skills, including yoga, meditation, ethics are part of the curriculum which the students do. More importantly, with the national education policy that is being adopted in the MIT ADT curriculum, especially the School of Computing, we also offer multidisciplinary minors to our students. So our students not only gain a BTech degree in computer science engineering or IT engineering, but it also comes up with a minor in a specific area of their interest.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was lovely talking to you.